Hi, so I just wanted to take a minute to show you how to make a park pass reservation so you're sure that you'll be able to enter the parks when you go to visit them for your vacation. So first, now you need to go not into the app, but you need to go to the website. So you can do this either on your laptop, your computer, or if you're doing it on your phone, you'll just need to be sure that you go to mydisneyexperience.com and log into your Disney account. I will have already linked your reservations, your hotel resort reservations or tickets for you there, but if you needed to do that, if you go in the middle to that second button, that's your resort hotel, you'd go to link a reservation there, or tickets is one over and you'd go to link tickets there. But I already have everything linked into my account. So what you want to do is scroll all the way to the top, depending on where you are, if you're on your phone or if you're on your laptop, this on the upper left corner, that might be on the other side, but you just want to look for those 3-bar drop downs and click on that. Now it's going to give you a whole bunch of options here. If you scroll down, you'll see right in the middle here, the Disney Park Pass system. And click on that. And that is going to take you to the Park Pass reservation. There's lots of information here that you can click on that can also help you how to reserve a Park Pass reservation. But just click on Make a Theme Park Reservation right in the middle of the big blue bar. And now you just want to be sure that you select everyone who is going with you on this reservation that has tickets. Everybody has to have tickets that are linked. So I have my party of 4 linked up there. And now I'm going to go to continue. And we are going in September, so we will arrow over. And our first day we're going to be in the parks is going to be the 26th. So we will click on that. And now it's showing you everything that's available that day. I'm going to click on Magic Kingdom. And it's going to show you your arrival window is basically when the park is open that day. You can go anytime during, you don't have to arrive at 9 o'clock, anytime from 9 to 7 you arrive. You need to be sure you click that you have read the COVID liability waiver that you're agreeing to here. If you click on that, you can read through everything on here, and then just be sure that that little check mark is clicked. Hit confirm, and there we are. We're all set for Magic Kingdom on the 26th. So very easy to do. And then you can go where you can either view it in your plans or make another park pass. Just to show you in the plans, go to view in my plans and you will see reservations here, and you'll see the first day right here, Disney Park Pass under Saturday, September 26th. So hopefully that'll help make things a little bit easier. Very easy. You can go through and make all of your reservations very quickly for everything.